In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip on your Gboard. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, you need to tap on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, my strip is on. To switch it off, you can click on this gear at the top of your keyboard, select Text Correction and click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!